Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to get this makeup look. If you would like to see how I got this look, just continue watching. I'm going to start by priming my eyes with Master Prime by Maybelline. I'm just going to blend it out using my finger. I'm going to set the eyeshadow primer with e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder. I'm just using a flat eyeshadow brush. The first palette I'm going to use is the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette. And I'm going to use this yellow shade. I'm just taking a tapered blending brush. I'm going to put it in my crease. Next, I'm going to take the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. Looks like this. And I'm going to take brush on the same taper blending brush, and I'm just going to put it on top of the yellow from Huda Beauty. Next, I'm taking Lemonade Craze by Maybelline, and I'm going to use this color right here. It's called Ice Pop. I'm just going to use another tapered blending brush. Now I'm going back in with the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to grab this really pretty purple color. It's called Siren. I'm just going to put that in my crease with this brush. It's like another tapered blending brush. It's from Profusion. And I'm going to put that on the outer half of my crease. Next, I'm going to take Secret. This is dark brown color. And I'm going to use this e.l.f. brush. It's a very dense brush, so when you pick up the shadow, it puts a lot on your eye. I'm just packing this on the outer corner and slightly into the crease. This is what it looks like right now. Now I'm going to cut the crease, but I'm using the same thing I used to prime my eyes. Cut a little bit more than halfway. And I'm just going to use my finger to blend it out. Now I'm going back in with the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to take this shimmery shade right here. It's really pretty. I'm just taking a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to pack it on top of the eyeshadow primer. This is what it looks like now. Now I'm just going to go back in with the purple Siren, and I'm going to take the same Profusion brush, and I'm just going to put it on the outer corners to blend in the shimmery shadows with the outer corner. Now I'm just going to go back in with the brown that I used, Secret. And I'm going to put it on the very outer corner just to darken it up just a little bit. Now I'm just going back in with the first brush that I used, the tapered blending brush, and I'm just going to blend everything out. This is what the eyeshadow looks like finished. Next I'm going to put on eyeliner, and I'm using this eyeliner. I'm not really sure how you pronounce it. I think it's called Ayako Skinny Liquid Eyeliner as a nice fine tip. I'm going to apply that onto the top of my eye. This is what the eyeliner looks like when it's finished. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes just using a regular eyelash curler. Now I'm going to apply this mascara. I'm using the Great Lash by Maybelline. This is my favorite mascara. It's waterproof. It stays on all day. It works very well. Now I'm just going to put black eyeliner on the bottom lash line. It's called Lock-It Waterproof Pencil Eyeliner in Pearl Black. So the eyes are all done. Here's what they look like done. Now it's time to move on to our face. So I already moisturized my face, and I used this Dermasil, and I also used this Arcart oil for your face. Now I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. I'm going to be blending this out with my hands. And I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Primer in 110. I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm going to take this concealer brush, and I'm just going to dot it all over my face. Now I'm going to blend it out using my Ulta Beauty Cosmetic Sponge that's dampened. Next, I'm going to be using the Instant Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline. It's called Fair Clair. And you take the top off. It already has a sponge on it, so you just have to twist. I'm just going to apply that under my eyes. On the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Now I'm going to take my sponge and I'm going to blend it out with this side. Now I'm going to set my concealer with the Airspun Loose Face Powder. You can get this at Walmart. It's really cheap. It was only like $5 and it smells really good. I'm just going to take a brush. I'm going to set my under eyes with it, bridge of my nose, chin, and my forehead. Now I'm just going to dust it away. Now I'm going to contour my face, and I'm using the City Color Contour Palette. I'm going to pick up this middle shade on a Wet n Wild contouring brush. I'm going to add it to my temples to add some color to my face. I'm going to contour the jawline as well. I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to contour my nose. I'm gonna go back in with the Airspun powder. I'm gonna take my makeup sponge. I'm just gonna clean up the contour on the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna use this brush and I'm gonna dust it away. I'm gonna use the same palette and I'm gonna take the white shade and I'm gonna use it to highlight my face. Just going to use a highlighter brush. I'm going to put it on my top of my cheekbones. Whoa, look at that. I'm gonna put it on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow. Now I'm going to go in with blush. I'm just using this shade right here. That's what it looks like. I'm just gonna take a blush brush. Nothing much, just a little bit for color. Now I'm just gonna add a lipstick, but I'm first gonna moisturize my lips with a chapstick. Now I'm just going to add a nude lip. This is a Superstay Matte Ink. It's in the color 5, Loyalist, by Maybelline. I'm just gonna apply that to my lips. I hope you guys liked my video. Comment down below to let me know what you guys would like to see. If there's any specific looks that you guys would like to see, or if you guys have any suggestions. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.